Hey everybody, Happy New Year!
I'm Candace McAdden.
And I'm Sasha Monique. And hey, we just wanted to come and check you out, see how your 2018 is getting started.
Yeah, as many of you may know, Kurly by Nature is a woman's guide to a healthy lifestyle. We look to inspire, encourage, and influence women with a curl, a kink, and a wave.
And on our YouTube episodes, we talk about everything from hair, health and fitness, faith, fashion, relationship goals, and of course, everything in the career.
Yes, we want you to share with us your goals, aspirations, and or resolutions for 2018. We want you to comment below and let us know what are you doing for 2018.
And also, if you aren't a part of the Kurly by Nature community, which you should be, which you really should be, you know, make it a part of one of your resolutions to be a part of this community. But of course, we want you to like, love, subscribe, hug us, whatever it is you got to do so that you can follow us and be a part of this community. We invite you to be a part of us.
Yes, we're on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, of course. We look forward to connecting more with you in 2018. We hope that you have a prosperous and healthy start to this new year.
Happy New Year!